Hello students, welcome back to another video. Now integral of 1 by x power 4 plus 8x square plus 9 into dx. This is very important model in JEE Mains. Okay, you observe it carefully. Solution: integral of 1 by x power 4 plus 8x square plus 9 into dx. This can be written as 1 by, in denominator x square is common, x square plus 8 plus 9 by x square into dx. X square into x square, x power 4, 8 into x square, 8x square into 9 by x square, 9x square by x square cancel, you can get 9. This can be written as 1 by x square, in denominator x square plus 9 by x square plus 8 into dx. In numerator and denominator, multiplying with 6, 1 by 6 into 6 by x square, in denominator x square plus 9 by x square plus 8 into dx. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 6 into 3 by x square plus 3 by x square, in denominator x square plus 9 by x square plus 8 into dx. 1 by 6 into integral of, in numerator adding and subtracting 1, 3 by x square plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 by x square. In denominator is as it is, x square plus 9 by x square plus 8 into dx. Okay, this can be written as integral of 1 by 6 into 3 by x square plus 1. In these two terms, minus common. Minus of 1 minus 3 by x square. In denominator, x square plus 9 by x square minus 8 into dx. 1 by 6 into integral of, denominator belongs to both, you have to write separate. 3 by x square plus 1 by x square plus 9 by x square minus 8 into dx minus 1 by 6 into integral of 1 minus 3 by x square by x square plus 9 by x square plus 8 here, plus 8 into dx. 1 by 6 into 3 by x square plus 1. This can be written as x minus 3 by x whole square plus 14. Expanding this, x square a minus b whole square plus 9 by x square minus 2 into x into 3 by x. X cancel, minus 6 is there. Minus 6 plus 14 is 8. Okay. Into dx minus 1 by 6 into integral of 1 minus 3 by x square upon x plus 3 by x whole square plus 2. This is expanding this, x square plus 9 by a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 3 by x into 3 by x. X and plus 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. This is correct method. Okay, into dx. Put x minus 3 by x is equal to t. Okay, x derivation is 1. 1 by x derivation is minus 1 by x square. Minus into minus plus 3 by x square into dx equal to dt. Here put x plus 3 by x is equal to p. X derivation is 1. 3 by x square derivation is 3 by x derivation is minus 3 by x square. Derivation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into 3 minus 3 by x square. Into dx is equal to dp. These two values substitute in in this equation. 1 by 6 into 3 by x square plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. This is t. Okay, 1 by t square plus 14 into dt minus 1 by 6 into integral of 1 by p square plus 2 into dp. 1 by 6 into integral of 1 by t square plus root 14 whole square into dt minus 1 by 6 integral of 1 by p square into root 2 whole square into dp. Here using formula integral of 1 by x square plus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay, this can be written as 1 by 6 into 1 by root 14 tan inverse t value t by root 14 minus 1 by 6 into 1 by root 1 by a means 1 by root 2 tan inverse p by root 2 plus c. In these two places p value and 2 value substitute, you can get the answer. 1 by 6 into root 14 tan inverse of x minus 3 by x by root 14 minus 1 by 6 into root 2 tan inverse of x plus 3 by x by root 2 plus c. Now last step, 1 by 6 root 6 into root 14 tan inverse of x into x square minus 3 by x into root 14 x root 14 minus 1 by 6 root 2 into tan inverse of x into x square plus 3 x into root 2 x root 2 plus c. That's enough. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, I will give number of problems. These problems are very important in JEE mains and AppSet. Okay.